Hello students, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. In today's class, we are going to discuss the topic prepositions briefly. So preposition, what is preposition? How can we define the word preposition? It is a word which tells about the position of a noun in the given sentence. So prepositions are like small nuts and bolts. We have 100 plus prepositions, many prepositions in, into, with, by, on, upon, between, among, of, of, to, towards, through, up, down, before, after, since, for, from, okay, about, in front of, behind, beside, opposite, during. So many prepositions are there. So first we take some prepositions in pairs and we discuss the usage of the pairs. First one is here we go now. The first one is in, into. So both denote, both are used in the sense of inside, but in is used for when there is no movement, physical displacement. Into is used when there is some physical displacement. For example, my pen is in my pocket, my purse is in my pocket, we are in the classroom, there is no movement here. So into denotes some physical displacement, physical movement. So the snake crept into a hole, he walked into the room, the teacher walked into the room, okay, the boy jumped into a well, the bus fell into a valley, okay, so he dived into the swimming pool, like that. So some movement, okay, denotes some movement. Similarly, on, upon. Here on is static, upon is kinetic. Upon denotes some physical displacement, whereas on denotes no displacement. So the book is on the table, he is sitting on the bench, we are sitting on the stool, okay. So upon means the tiger jumped upon a deer, the boy fell upon the floor, jumped upon the floor from the balcony. Upon, so come upon the dais, like onto, okay. With, by, they are called prepositions of agency, okay, when the work is done by a human being. So if the agent is human being or any living thing, animal, bird or human being, by is used. When the agent is non-living thing, with is used, okay. We cut vegetables with knife, write with blue pen, write with red pen, okay. So the poem was written by Sarojini Naidu, the lesson was written by Abdul Kalam, like that. Next, since, for. So they are called prepositions of time, they are used at the end of the sentence to denote time. Since is used to denote exact time, and for is used for approximate time. This is point of time, this is period of time. It has been raining here since 9 a.m., since morning, since yesterday, since last Monday, and it has been raining here for 2 days, for 2 hours, for 2 weeks, okay. For hours, days, weeks, months and years, we use for a long time. And since, for 1990, 9 a.m., last Monday, last Sunday, last night, okay, the morning, evening. For this kind of words, since is used, okay. Next, between, among. Between for distribution, or between for two members, and among for more than two. The old man distributed his property between his two sons, among his three sons, okay. She is sitting between her parents, okay. And the four thieves shared the money among themselves, right. Now, beside, besides. So beside means by the side of, and besides means in addition to, okay. There is a canal beside our house, there is a river beside our college, there is a temple beside my house. He knows Telugu besides English and French, okay. Besides being a cricketer, Kapil Dev is a great businessman, like that, okay. So these are the important prepositions, okay. So now I hope that you have enjoyed this video. So we meet again very soon with another interesting grammar topic. So thanks for watching my videos. I request all of you to share my videos with your friends. See you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.